Hello, guys. Good day and welcome to another monthly catch up, section 13. So, this week we are working on this particular bag. We are supposed to work on it last month, on the last month catch up, but due to some stuff, we didn't later work on it. Instead, we make some caps that I later shown last month catch up, but this month these are what we are working on, this particular bag, and we have other ones we need to work on again. I think I made mention of that in last month catch up, and I talked about that. So, and in the last month catch up, I talk a lot, did not show much content, but the talk to the speech, if you listen to it, there are things you get to learn from there. So today there won't be much talk for me now. I'll just show you all the process. If I can film time lapse and every other thing, I'll keep you guys updated. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, and if you have any question you need to ask or you intend to ask, you can ask it in the comment section. And if you want to ask for a question regarding training, my WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. You can chat with me from there, and link is also there in the description for you to go straight to the store where you can apply for our online bag making training. So with that being said, let me start now and proceed with the rest of the bag, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll show you whatever I'm doing so you guys will learn from this. Lovely seeing you guys all. Enough seeing my face, let me turn the camera right now. So talking about it, I just finished making this lining for the inside of the bag with a very large pocket, and on this side we have every other aspect of the bag part. As you guys can see, we have the square ring here we're using, we have the slider here, the hook is here, and this arrow shape for the handle. These are the handle. We have the two gussets. The ring is already fixed to the two gusset, and we've sewn it, as you can see. Then this is the extension for the zip. This is the zip. This is the body part for the zip that will be on the main body of the bag before we fix it to the extension and the lining. As you guys can also see, we fixed the bag fit to the bottom of the bag, and here we have the lining for the two gussets, and these are the pipe for the two hands. So things are going as planned, but not fast, because I am behind schedule of what I'm supposed to have done this morning or today. So the cap we're making last week, which is last month catch up, the cap is still here. We will be delivering it today. The rider did not come yesterday for him to package and deliver, so very soon we'll be delivering it. So that's just the update for now. Let me continue with this particular one. If I finish it, then we all go to the next stage of the bag making, because we have two extra bags to make within just few weeks to deliver, and it's only me that is here working on all these projects. Enough talking, watch and learn. Guys, here is the bag I was making, the one we talk about. So I'm done with it. It's now next for me to make the other one we are going to make. In the previous this catch up, I talk about making backpack and lunchbox, but I don't think we'll be making it this month again due to some recent job we have to do from the same clients that owns those ones. So we have to skip this one and work on it later on because it's for the children, that is for the purpose that will be attending school, so they are not resuming anytime soon. So that's just it, guys. I hope you love this particular bag. So I also make a video for it, how I make this particular bag on the channel. So you guys should go watch it. So right now, let me continue with the rest of the making, and I'll proceed with it later. I actually cut this particular black one I'm going to make with the I think this type of fabrics, but the pink, yeah, the pink, yeah, the pink. I'm going to mix it with black because one of the bag we sent, the person did not like the wrinkle on the body, which is this particular fabrics. If you remember it, we mix it with the pink, so we are making black with that particular pink. You guys are going to see it later on. I actually caught this on time lapse, but I discovered that the camera died, so I did not even, I was not aware. It's later on when I check, I discovered that, oh, where it films to before it die, I have not even started the making this. So we'll proceed with the rest of the making. I'm taking this out very soon too. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the continuation of the catch up. So guys, here is the updates on the bag I say we'll be making after we make that one day. So as you can see, I did all the design and illustration. So we've already started. I was supposed to film the time lapse, but there's no time. So this is the back panel. This is the D-ring for the size. This is the cover and the handle, the top cover and the handle, and this is the front. It has 2 zip from each side. So the gusset is also available, but I've not applied gum to it. I'll start fixing it, so that I'll be doing very soon, or probably within the week. So I'll keep you guys updated, so you guys learn from what we are doing so far. Actually, it's late, everywhere is dark, as you guys can see, everywhere is dark, but since we have a little bit of this inverter power solar here, we can work at night a little bit till it's a little bit late before closing. So let me proceed with this work and see what I can do tonight. I just want to tidy up a little bit, then go, and probably within tomorrow or next tomorrow, within the week, I'll continue the job and finish it up. See you guys at the continuation. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. So yesterday, as you guys can see, we work on this particular project, this bag. I show you a little bit of it, but today I'm going to show you more of it. And this is the previous one we finished. The bag is looking lovely, very nice. I might even use this as the thumbnails. It's very nice. So that's just it. And yesterday I also made strap for the bag, and it's looking very nice. So right now I want to just proceed with the making and see how it comes out, because this is a complicated design and this is the first time I'm making this type. So I have to see how everything will turn out. My plan was to design it in such a way it work out that way. If it did not work out, then we go the other way around, which is plan B. But I don't have plan B yet. I always have plan B. If anything did not go as planned, then we can now switch to other plan, emergency plan. So that's just the update so far. Let's continue the making, and I'll see you at the continuation. So, guys, welcome to the continuation of this particular monthly catch up. So, this is the one I'm working on presently. A few days ago, and yesterday I later went to the market. I bought some gum, some mako, this mako as well. I bought some mako, some gum, and some accessories. They are still there, but I haven't opened them because I need to do the documentation and put them in written so we know exactly what we are spending and how we spend our money. So that is important part of business as well. You have to know all those things. So that's just it so far. Right now I'm going to continue with what I'm doing and proceed. You guys might see the timelines, or I might come back to you, even show you after I'm done with this, so that you guys will learn from what we have done so far. So guys, here we are ending this month's catch up. As you guys can see, these are all the bag we make this month. They are all looking nice. So we make this leather bag, we delivering it to the clients. This one is a family member, and this is also for a client going to Port Harcourt. So we're taking it to the cargo airport so it can be delivered within tonight and tomorrow. So that's just it so far. I have other things to do as well. We have few cap to make, but we'll not be making it in this month catch up. That will be next month. We have 3 backpack to make with monogram, the one I talked about last month that we are going to make this month. There's no time for us to work on it again. Then 3 lunch box again, 3 backpack, 3 lunch box, and we have to make. You guys should expect that next month catch up. So the shop is still the way it is. I think I made mention what I get a few days ago, but I don't think I show you. We got that Marco there, a double sheet, and we bought gum. There's this energy gum and some accessories, just few accessories to balance up. We have enough, but since I went there, I just decided to buy. This is energy. It's a new product and 3 kg. It used to come in 35 kg, but now they have it in 3 kg. So I want to try it out and see if it's very good. So enough talking, guys. We'll see you in next month catch up. Thank you guys for watching. For those of you who have subscribed to the channel, if you haven't subscribed, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, and thank you guys for being here. Really appreciate those of you who are subscribed to the channel, and those who have not subscribed will always come to watch. Use this time to subscribe. It's never too late.